My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove pop-ups and intrusive ads associated with the site News-nenano.cc. News-nenano.cc. The website is malicious because it tries to make people click on the Allow button. And after the Allow button is mistakenly clicked, the browser gets hijacked and infected. Pretty soon, people start receiving the greatest multitude of intrusive ads displayed as random web push notifications. Some of them you already see displayed in the right bottom part of the screen. So that site, News-nenano.cc, is just one of such many other sites that display intrusive ads like this. To stop these ads, you need to access the menu of the browser, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, click on Site Settings, then scroll down to the Permissions area and choose Notifications. You need to pay careful attention to the list of the websites allowed to send notifications. When you find this News-nenano.cc, click on this associated button and remove the malicious site from the list. And if you find any other dangerous sites like this causing the troubles, you need to remove them too. So get back to the settings that displays sites allowed to send notifications and remove all other malicious sites that are causing such troubles. I also recommend you to do it automatically with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. It will help you to identify and delete other threats which could possibly remain on the system. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software through this website, install it, and start examining your device in order to detect and delete all other threats which could remain on your computer. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner antivirus, you will need to select your preferred scan type. In fact, there are 3 scan types available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. However, Quick Scan is only available in the trial version, whether premium version gives you full system scan and custom scan option. So you need to click on Start Scan button in order to let Combo Cleaner begin the research of your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner. The good feature is called anti-ransomware. It will help you to select a special folder where you may store your important data that will be properly protected against all sorts of ransomware attack. You may also select scheduled scans in the premium version and have some other beneficial features. In general, Combo Cleaner will help you to protect your system against all sorts of malware, ransomware, adware, and other attacks. So after the scan is successfully completed, you will see the summary of threats. This will include the threats related to your browsers or some other more serious threat that may affect the system performance. Click on Remove All Threats button in order to get rid of all sorts of malware from your computer and make your Windows computer great again.